daily. What's up, guys? Wagwan. Jamaica came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, you see the thumbnail, you know what it is. You see me? Polo G and Lil Wayne, gang. Polo G never react to a song for him. Never heard him before. Don't know who he is. But Lil Wayne, everybody know Lil Wayne. When Lil Wayne just come on the scene, Lil Wayne was one of my favorite rappers, you know. I like oh, you see me? Him doing thing. You see me? Hum. Yeah, them songs are my favorite song. So we are here today to break down, not to break down, to react, cause I don't think I can break down this, cause I don't know some of the slangs and the term that they're using, but I'm gonna try my best to react and see what they must say. So big up on yourself, and let's jump straight in this one and see what it's got to offer. Let's go.
So used to them gray clouds, I might fuck around, drop the top in the rain. For the squad, we don't play around, we'll lay them down, hit the top close range.
This is a vibe, and the song just start. So basically, in my drive around name drop top, I think it's an i8, BMW i8, and you see the lightning a flash and things, so you don't know it's not pretty weather, but him top off. So basically, him tell us, listen, I'm so used to what I'm saying, so used to something. Well, let me hear him say, I don't want to get it wrong.
So used to them gray clouds, I might fuck around, drop the top in the rain.
So used to the grey clouds, I might fuck around and drop the top in the rain. It doesn't matter, it's leather seat. Nothing not damage. It's good. Even if it damage, my money can go buy back a next one. That's what the boss is telling you. I8, see, being about I8. I might just fuck around and drop the top because I'm bored. Fuck it, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
For the squad, we don't play around, we'll lay them down, hit the top close range. He just for 10, he not with the...
We don't fuck around. I will basically my tell us say, yo, me shoot him in head. Hit him top close range. Close range, you know, brother, man, I shoot in the head, you know, you're half dead, you know. You have to die. Not even the Bible can save you. You're half dead, brother. Dead.
Gang, remember back then, I said out what he bang. One from Jake's block high like I'm Wayne. Spent $250,000 on the watch and the chain.
I'm looking at the chain. I'm looking at the pendant. It's a goat. Me now can break down everything what them I say because of the slang what them I use. I don't know, but leave it in the comment section and help me out, guys. This is why you guys are here watching this video now, right? All right, help me out. Come on.
Remember back then, I said out what he bang. One from Jake's block high like I'm Wayne. Spent $250,000 on the watch and the chain.
Spend $250,000 on a watch and a chain. Before that, him say, remember back then I was high as like Lil Wayne basically. Cause Lil Wayne always high. Puff pass, motherfucker. What's this the bomb, baby? Yeah, Lil Wayne that. No, not Lil Wayne, but Lil Wayne. Yeah, you know what I mean.
I'm just trying to put a lock on the game. Hot shit from this Glock when it flame.
Yeah, him come out the line and jump the line and say, yo, I'm just trying to put a lock on the game. So basically, he might try lock the rap game. If you don't know, run it. He might try be one of the top tier in the rap game, yeah?
Young nigga up now, remember back then, niggas clown on me. Now from the heaven gates, only way a nigga looking down on me. Keep at least 200,000 on me.
I remember back then, when I didn't have nothing, niggas used to clown on me. Niggas used to take the piss. You see me? No. Keep a couple 100,000 for me. Keep a couple 100,000 cash on me. You see me? Yeah, balling. Yeah, we're balling out here. We're balling. Yeah.
Keep at least like 30 rounds on me. When my niggas to the wheels fall off, don't care if my ride don't eat.
I want to get to the man say a go. Him say him keep at least 30 rounds on him. Alright, gunshot bullet him attack. Alright, cool, cause him strap. Then him say listen what him say after.
Keep at least like 30 rounds on me. When my niggas to the wheels fall off, don't care if my ride don't eat.
Loyalty. I'm with my niggas until the wheel fall off. I don't care if my ride is on E, my car is on E, gas tank is on E. It not that type of ride him attack. He must say I'm with him niggas them. Him with him niggas them. Him have them back, but regardless of what. And I hope him niggas have him back too. That's what the boss I said. Big up yourself, Polo G.
Gucci slides, Versace rolls, palm trees, exotic hoes. Snitching, he can't right his wrongs. Once he play that writer role, slime shit, we wipe his nose.
What tell you what go on, dog? Gucci sliders, something roll. Gucci sliders and something. Me not go back, but him says Gucci sliders and something roll. Palm tree and some badass hoes. So you don't know, son. He's setting the scene. He might paint a picture of what the life him used to. You see me? Yeah.
Fans watching my striker pose. Do a hit, take flight, we gone.
The man said feds watching, I might just strike a pose. I know you guys are watching. Take a picture, motherfucker. Take a picture, motherfucker. I'm watching. What? What? Chilling, bro. Chilling.
We just take the dice and roll. So you see them great clouds. I might fuck around, drop the top in the rain. For the squad, we don't play around. We'll lay him down, hit his top close range. He just pretend he not with the gang. Remember back then, I said out what he bang. Running from Jake's block high like I'm Wayne. Spend $250,000 on the watch and the chain. I'm just trying to put a lock on the game.
Can I just take the time out to say how beautiful the girl in the video is that is round the table with him? The girl, she's hot. She's hotter than summer in Egypt. She's hotter than summer in Mexico. Look, she's hot.
Hot shit from this Glock when it flame.
Boss, I smoke.
Soon as I touch down, them pussy feds be hot on me.
Soon as I touch down, them pussy face be hot on me. Look how I'm an artist, you know. Look how I'm an artist. But him going with some fucking more time I'm not agree with. But look how I'm an artist. Soon as me touch down, them pussy feds is hot on me. Like, give me a break. Have a 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂, officer. Give me a break. Yeah.
Her niggas got money out of my head. Tell him come crown a king. Let the work dog out for 14 days.
What I'm saying? I heard a nigga got money on my head. Come crown the king.
Her niggas got money out of my head. Tell him come crown a king.
I heard a nigga got money out of my head. Come crown the king. Come crown the king.
Let the work dog out for 14 days. That's quarantine. I pour my heart out before my lean.
bars.
Let the work dog out for 14 days. That's quarantine.
Yeah.
I pour my heart out before my lean, baby. No R&B. 6'6" dudes, my pyro. Big Suwu, slam my groove. Slash. I shoot white.
He's look what he's doing right now. What Lil Wayne does. Right here, he's doing what Lil Wayne does best. Go on tracks. He's going ham shit on tracks right now. This is what Lil Wayne does. In the ramp, brother. In the ramp.
Days that's quarantine. I pour my heart out before my lean, baby. No R&B. 6'6" dudes, my pyro. Big Suwu, slam my groove. Slash. I shoot white piss nose. God bless you. Black. I'm.
Fuck off, man. Fuck off, blood. Lil Wayne, go man. You bumba clot, Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne, you bumba clot, dog. Where Lil Wayne just say a while ago? I shoot wipe his nose. God bless you, something.
My groove, slash. I shoot white piss nose. God bless you. Black. I'm not through. Duck, goose. 2 big guns on me for the smoke. There's Uncle Snoop and Mother Stu. Call me.
What the fuck, bro? Lil Wayne really, dog? Lil Wayne really, dog?
Slash. I shoot white piss nose. God bless you. Black. I'm not through. Duck, goose. 2 big guns on me for the smoke. There's Uncle Snoop and Mother Stu. Call me Cavallati. Big Slamalini. Lil Slam Gotti. That ain't the guinea. Little bitch, that's a Gotti. From Medizini, a P on the Wami. I high fettuccine from the better rallies. I'm like Rick Pitino or
Guys, leave in the comment section what he's saying here, please. Leave what Lil Wayne verse is saying in the comment section, cause over my head. I'm ducking. I'm standing up over my head, still over my head. No matter what, they're going over my head. Leave what Lil Wayne is saying here, so please, guys, please.
Jack Calipari, I'm leading my team, yeah, right to the finals. That money talking and we talking private. I'm the correspondent. Hold on, Gucci slides and Versace rolls. I slide a nigga, I slide a hoe. I bang on anybody gang and I ball with all my slime and nose on gang on Holly Grove. No plain Jane, I smoke Zario and when the rain.
No plain Jane and Zario. So basically, I'm telling the weed when I smoke, the weed brand when I smoke. Shout out. This guy's giving me a headache. Lil Wayne is one of those artists that will give you a fucking headache. Literally an instant headache, a migraine too. Not just any headache, a migraine headache. Lil Wayne will give you a migraine headache. With his lyrics, bro, and his flow. No joke.
Came up, put the top down under the dark clouds. I'm shining gold. You to the gray clouds. I might fuck around and drop the top in the rain. For the squad, we don't play around. We'll lay him down, hit his top close range. She just pretending not with the gang. Remember back then, that's the out with he bang. Running from Jets, black hot like I'm Wayne. Spend a whole meal on the watch and the chain. I'm just trying to put a lock on the game.
So, Polo G say him spend what? 150 on a watch and a chain. Lil Wayne say me spend a whole $1 million on a watch and a chain. Look on the levels between them. Look how we in rich, rat rich. Polo G, like I said, I don't know much about Polo G. But look how we in rat rich, dog.
I shit from this Glock when it flames.
This song is a vibe.
Call me Capitalized.
Song is a vibe, bro. The song is a vibe. The full length, the full song will be in the description below. The song is a vibe. Leave in the comment section the hundreds of bars that I miss, references that I miss, metaphors and similes that I miss. Cause I know I missed. I know I missed a lot. I know I missed a lot. So leave it in the comment section, please. Like, look at me, just blowing people's mind out here. Like, no joke. Like, no joke, dog. It's just different. Look at me, just different, brother. Pick up on yourself anyway. Guys, thank you for stopping by on the channel if you're new. Big up to the old subscribers and that's here, the original. Welcome to the gang. So, big up on yourself. We're out of here, guys. Peace out. Big up Little Wayne and Polo G too. Big up on yourself, Jack.